Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Alice 彭，
我是史都华，
我是 Emily, and welcome to today's Practical Hakka, and we are going to talk about something that is very useful, especially recently. We're going to talk about typhoons.
是这好玩啊
That was very good, guys. Okay, so 我们今天要讨论的就是台风
风财。
风财。那听说过几天会有台风要来 I heard there's a typhoon coming in a few days. 怎么说？
唐贡高幾日會做風財唐貢高幾日會做風財
唐貢過幾日會做風財那要小心哦，秋台很厲害的 Be careful, autumn typhoons are very strong.
嘅愛生意地位哦，
嘅愛生意地位哦，
对吗？
對。那句是那要小心哦。那秋台很厲害的怎麼講？
秋台咩動厲害呢？
咩動厲害呢？好，那我們要做好防台的準備。We're going to have to be prepared for the typhoon.
愛做好防台準備愛做好防台準備
OK， 那我們防台的準備呢，要預備一些東西，所以我們一個一個來。We have to prepare a number of things for the typhoon， 所以我們從蠟燭開始 ，candles，
蠟燭，
手電筒 flashlights，
樹天筒，然後海陸腔叫樹天筒。
Okay, so that's how you prepare for a typhoon in Hakka. And that's it for today's Practical Hakka lesson. Thank you for listening.
什麼大家？
俺是社長來了。
客家風情由行政院客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Executive Yuan's Council for Hakka Affairs.